Long before humans crossed the oceans, on the remote island of Mauritius, lived a strange bird unlike any other on Earth. It was called the dodo. About 1 meter tall, with gray feathers, a hooked beak, and tiny useless wings, the dodo could not fly. But on this isolated island, it didn't need to. There were no natural predators. For thousands of years, the dodo lived peacefully, nesting on the ground and feeding on fallen fruits and seeds. The island was paradise. Everything changed in the late 1500s when Dutch sailors arrived on Mauritius. The dodo had never seen humans before. Fearless and curious, the birds walked directly toward the sailors. They were easy to catch, easy to kill, and soon became a source of food for hungry crews traveling across the ocean. But hunting alone did not destroy the dodo. Humans brought something far more dangerous. Ships carried rats, pigs, dogs, and monkeys onto the island. These animals invaded the forests and destroyed the dodo's nests, eating their eggs before the chicks could hatch. At the same time, forests were cut down for settlements and farming. The dodo's peaceful world disappeared rapidly. Within less than a century of human arrival, the dodo was gone forever. The last confirmed sightings were recorded in the 1600s. An entire species had vanished. Today, the dodo is one of history's most famous extinct animals, a symbol of how fragile nature can be when humans disrupt ecosystems. The bird that once lived without fear became a warning to the world. And though the forests of Mauritius still whisper with life, the footsteps of the dodo will never be heard again. The Last Days of the Dodo, a story of isolation, survival, and extinction.